It's very interesting for me as a US-based academic, but also one who has a very strong identification with this point with Canadian institutions. So for me to get to come to Europe, and this is an amazing range of national locations that people are from, and then schools that they're studying at. So even getting to see like what's going on at Central European University in gender studies, or what kind of training in cultural studies might people be getting in the UK. What is the relation between the training in Eastern Europe, so-called, and Western Europe, so-called, or does that category even make sense? So the East, West, North, South regional distinctions, even within Europe, are very interesting for me to observe because I don't always get to see that pool. So it's really helping me a lot to think about graduate training and what's going on in order to produce a strong generation of students in cultural studies, particularly in this difficult time of politics, of finances, of mobility and circuits for people across borders, including within the university. It's exciting because at the pure intellectual level, I feel a lot of energy, a lot of hope, a lot of enthusiasm. It's sobering because also I see where the difficulties and the challenges are for people to do certain kinds of work, for them to get jobs when they do the work that they do. So it's really helpful cultural exchange.
I've not been to summer school quite like this. I mean, I'm so impressed with the calibre and quality of both the student presentations, but just the discussion following, particularly the lectures that I've given. I've just found the sort of feeling in the room is really one that we're we're together for this time, and we want to really try and share and open to new ways of thinking, new ways of working together. And it really gives me actually hope for the future, because it's quite difficult in these times to not feel bleak, but I feel that perhaps the future is safe if these are the kinds of scholars and activists who are going to go forward and shape academic knowledge and practice for the future. So it's been a really enlivening experience. So yeah.
I like interdisciplinarity because this is what I do, but also because, again, it connects people across different disciplines and makes the function of art, or art as a method of intervention in society, or change, or the potential of art as to change things, more extended. And this is what I really like about this school.
I do think it's important that people are coming to Belgrade to do this work in order to learn something about the place and the complexity of its history. So that has been a big attraction for me, and I think it is for the students as well to do the work here. So there's a kind of learning that's happening from the location.
When theory is connected to practice, we see that some of the ways we express ourselves through words, they do not work, or it is important to just leave them out and just feel things or experience things. And this is something that it seems to me that this school has a potential for creating or making students to experience. And that's my message. My message is write and talk and also experience.